The reset button on your hot water heater is a critical safety device designed to protect your home and prevent dangerous overheating situations. This small red button is typically located near the thermostat, often hidden behind a removable access panel on the front of your water heater. The reset button's primary function is to cut power to the heating elements when the water temperature exceeds 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. This safety mechanism prevents potential damage to your water heater and eliminates the risk of dangerous explosions that could occur from extreme overheating. When the reset button trips, you'll need to manually push it to restore power. You should hear a distinct click sound when it resets properly. Critical safety reminder: always turn off the power to your water heater at the circuit breaker before attempting to reset the button. This prevents electrical shock and ensures your safety. Understanding your water heater's reset button is essential for maintaining a safe and functional hot water system in your home. When your water heater reset button trips, there are several troubleshooting steps you should follow before calling a professional. First, check your electrical panel. The circuit breaker for your water heater may have tripped, cutting power to the unit. Next, visually inspect around your water heater for any signs of water leaks, which could indicate internal damage or component failure. Third, verify that your thermostat isn't set too high. Water heaters should typically be set between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Several common issues can cause your reset button to trip repeatedly. Understanding these can help you identify when professional help is needed. Sediment buildup is a major cause of overheating. Minerals from hard water accumulate at the bottom of the tank, creating an insulating layer that forces heating elements to work harder. Electrical problems like power surges, loose wiring, or faulty heating elements can also trigger the reset button. These issues require immediate professional attention. Certain situations require immediate professional intervention. Don't attempt DIY repairs when safety is at risk. Call a qualified HVAC technician if the reset button trips frequently, if you notice any leaks or damaged wiring, or if you're uncomfortable working with electrical components. Remember, water heaters involve both electricity and hot water under pressure. Professional technicians have the training and tools to safely diagnose and repair complex issues.